Good day everyone, welcome to Computer Vision Streams. I'm your host Anton, and today we will see how to generate JSON messages and stream them to Kafka from NVIDIA Deepstream pipeline. First, let's introduce pipeline. Our pipeline accepts URL of a stream or a video as input, then converts it with NVStream MOOCs, and the infer bin will make some inference of detection model, and the OSD bin will visualize bounding boxes, and we will use two plugins in the message converter to generate metadata that then will be streamed to Kafka broker with NV message broker. Our goal is to keep this pipeline as is, but to customize the JSON messages that we will send to the Kafka broker. In previous episodes, we have seen how to use payload Deepstream minimal and default payload Deepstream to send default formatted messages about objects detected by simple object detection model. Today we would like to customize and to use payload custom. In order to do that, we would need to copy NVMessage conf plugin from samples folder into our project and rebuild it with our modifications and replace this library when we will run our pipeline. So in the file NVMessage conf cpp, we will navigate to the function that is called NVDS message to payload generate new. We use new because in our custom pipeline we specifically choose this mode message to be new because we would like to generate payload from frame and object metadata. So here we see our NVDS payload Deepstream and Deepstream minimalistic schema. Our goal is to use NVDS payload custom, or maybe you would like to add some of your other schemas. Here, instead of just writing a JSON string directly to the payload, we would like to generate a custom message from all the metadata available on the frame and on the object level. To do that, we need a new function that we can declare in the Deepstream schema header file that is in the Deepstream schema folder, and define it in the ds meta payload cpp. So to do that, we can just copy a previous function that will show an example how to declare, how to write JSON messages in the minimalistic Deepstream schema. And then this is a good place where you can generate every possible JSON message that you would like to have, because you have in one place all the available metadata for this frame, on the frame level or on the object level, and you can pass all the necessary additional information as a special user metadata and access it through the NVDS frame meta. Afterwards, you can generate JSON objects by using the glib JSON library, or you can connect any other JSON library and just generate the string and return it as a final object. Here, as an example, we made a couple of modifications by adding string on the root object, and also I modified the generate object that will go through all the objects in the object metadata, and we can add some additional variables on per object level, so it will be available here in this field, or custom information available on the level of the whole payload will be generated in the initial function. So afterwards, make sure that your makefile is correct. It has correct NVDS version, and it also doesn't have any problems in finding all the include files that we need for this project. Afterwards, we will be able to use command make install to build and install our custom NVDS message conf library. And then when we will go to our build directory of our plugin, of our main pipeline, and run it, it will use our custom nvmessage conf that will be able to use frame level and object level metadata to generate any kind of JSON messages that we would like. And if we will return to our Kafka UI and switch to the live mode, we will see that for every frame from the demo video, we will receive a new metadata that will contain currently our hard-coded custom fields, but you can customize it as you like. Also, don't forget to install some dependencies that are needed to compile nvmessageconf library. Those dependencies could be found in the README file of the sample directory of nvmessageconf plugin for Deepstream. In today's episode, we have seen how to find a place where we can generate JSON messages and have available all the metadata on the frame and object level to generate some any kind of JSON message that we can potentially use in our video analytics pipeline by using Deepstream. Thank you for your attention. Code in the description of this video, and I will see you in the next episode.